I'm so happy with the 52% because we're really talking about execution and offense, monitoring each possession, keeping our composure, and getting out of the offense the shot that we want rather than the shots that the defense gives us. And I'm really pleased that we've been getting closer and closer to this point. And today's game, I think, really exemplified that. That's something, too, that we've been using on the other end of that, and we've been getting more aggressive in our defense. I think our defense is the biggest thing that really has improved this year, and taking advantage of those turnovers. I think before, when we forced a few turnovers, we weren't looking to run and take the ball to the basket. Today's game was certainly different. That's something that all year we've been looking at our overall stat sheet, and I've been saying to the staff, we want to get at least 3 people, if not a 4th person, in double-figure scoring. Rather than having one person that scores 18 or 20 points, I'd rather have it where you have 4 people scoring 10, 12, 13, 14 points a game. That makes it obviously more difficult for our opponents to key in on one person.
How's it feel getting your 400th win?
It feels great. I honestly, because it was a close game, I didn't even realize I thought it was 1 game away. It feels great. And the reason why it does is that, especially Amber being on staff, she was part of that. I kind of had a flashback to all the people who've had the opportunity from Vermont to Boston College to, Rhode Island. I've had the opportunity to coach and have been part of that. So that's the thing that I think I cherish the most about that, than anything else. And the staff too. That's been outstanding. I've been part of those 400 wins. That's what makes it fulfilling.
We've just been passing the ball around. They were playing us pretty tight, so we just knew that we had to find gaps and just work together, share the ball a lot. And it's a credit to my teammate for finding me when I'm open. We've been working a lot in our zone, which is what we played majority of the time. So it was just a lot of communication and working together as a team, and it paid off for us.
Early in the season, I've been placing the emphasis on rebounding. I know that I need to, crash the boards hard offensively and defensively to help my team out. As for offense, I've been incorporating jump shots instead of, playing on my strengths, going towards the basket and getting fouls, easy buckets. It's very important. I know that I wasn't really doing much of that at the beginning, which kind of dictated our win-loss schedule. But I noticed that as me and Buck continue to step up and be leaders for our team, they've been making less mistakes and our games have been going better. Oh, it's great. I'm happy to be a part of it. Being a senior and she's coming in my senior year, so I'm happy for it.